If you're looking to transform your hair into shiny, glass-like perfection in just 5 days, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple yet effective daily hair care routine, complete with bonus tips, masks, and remedies to give you that enviable shine. Let's dive right in. Day 1, Cleanse and Prep. Start with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse your hair. Follow up with a deep conditioner, focusing on the ends. Rinse with cool water to seal the cuticles and enhance shine. Mask. Apply a nourishing hair mask with ingredients like coconut oil and honey. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. Day 2, Hydrate and Nourish. Use a lightweight leave-in conditioner to keep your hair hydrated throughout the day. Incorporate a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent frizz while you sleep. Remedy. Create a spray with diluted apple cider vinegar to enhance shine. Use it as a final rinse. Day 3, Protect and Style. Apply a heat protectant before styling. Opt for low heat settings on your tools to minimize damage. Try air drying your hair whenever possible to maintain moisture. Mask. Use a homemade avocado mask for extra nourishment. Blend avocado, olive oil, and a splash of lemon juice, and apply for 30 minutes. Day 4, Revive and Refresh. Use a clarifying shampoo to remove any buildup, followed by a moisturizing conditioner. Consider a scalp massage to stimulate circulation and promote healthy growth. Remedy. Make a DIY shine serum with argan oil and a few drops of essential oil. Apply a small amount to your ends. Day 5, Finish Strong. Lightly mist your hair with a shine spray to finish off your routine. Limit washing your hair to retain natural oils, which contribute to shine. Mask. Treat your hair to a weekly protein mask to strengthen and add luster. And there you have it, your 5-day plan to achieve stunning, glass-like hair. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to this routine and see the results for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own hair care tips in the comments below. Shine on, and I'll see you next time.